In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a buckle on a boot. So as you can see, I already took out the liner, and you just have the boot here without the liner. What you're going to need, what tools you're going to need are, obviously you're going to need your replacement buckle, the washer for the buckle, and the screw. You're going to need also a flathead screwdriver and whatever these are called. These are like nose pliers. Okay. So if you look at the inside of the boot, you will see that the buckles are connected, at least on the inside of the boot, with these round kind of washers. So this is how we're going to take the buckle off, as you can see. Okay. It can be difficult, it can be challenging, because this round washer is flush against this plastic, and typically what you need to do is essentially get in between the buckle and the plastic and kind of bend the washer like so. As you can see, as I bend it, this washer is fairly pliable. If you're having a hard time getting this flathead screwdriver in between the plastic and the washer, what you can do is go to the other side of the buckle, essentially turn it this way, turn it back, and that will warp the washer a little bit, which will give you enough space to get your flathead screwdriver in between. So what you're going to do is get your flathead screwdriver, start bending the washer like so, and then turn the buckle, bend, turn the buckle again, keep bending, doesn't have to be all the way around, but you want to be able to create enough space in between the washer and the boot so that you can use the metal tong. Okay, so right here you can see there's quite a gap in between the washer and the boot. What you do is you take your nose pliers and then you start bending it more, like so. Oh, well, it looks like this just popped right off. And on this side, take that off. By the way, in some cases, this washer may not break off. So what I was trying to demonstrate is that if you bend this enough, you can actually you can peel it off that way, or you can bend it enough all the way around and it will just go right through the other side. So that was the point I was trying to make. Then take your replacement buckle. Okay, once we have the old buckle off, take your new buckle, open it up like this. Okay, so it's easy to put the screw in and screw on this side. Put your boot down. Okay, you have your buckle. Usually it's going to come like this. So open it up like that. Take your screw, put it on this end here. Take your washer on the other end. As you can see, kind of feed it through, let it catch. You can turn the washer, screw the washer essentially onto the screw, or you can do the opposite. Once it catches, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the washer flush against the boot. And you see it's kind of loose on this end now. Take your screwdriver, and screw it from this side. Holding the washer at the same time. If it's still a little loose, you can always use your pliers or the long nose pliers. Hold the washer in place like this. Let's take that. And then tighten as much as you can. And then, voila. Your buckle is replaced. And there you go.